Assalamu alaikum students. Student of class 8th. There is a chapter name The Silver Lining in your literature. Okay. Now student, take out your copies and start writing the work. First word is ambiguous and the meaning is obscure of double meaning. Anguish is the second word and the meaning is deep pain. And the third word is compatible, suited to. Fourth word is cuisine and the meaning is style of cooking. Fifth word is dine and the meaning is noise. Sixth word is fleeting and the meaning is passing rapidly. Seventh word is humdrum and the meaning is commonplace. Number 8, humiliation and the meaning is lowering of dignity. Number 8, profuse and the meaning is lavish. Number 10 is swarthy and the meaning is dark in color. So student, these are the 10 words and meaning. Start with the next page, the question and answer. Short question and answer. Question number 1. What was the Ahad first impression of Mr. David? It is the question. Answer. The Ahad first impression of Mr. David was that he seemed to be very proud and arrogant. He did not give a single reply of their polite questions. Second question. How did Mr. David bring joy to the Ahad? Question mark. And the meaning is and the answer is Mr. David brought a great joy to Ahad by being friendly with their daughter Maheen. He actually had given all new hopes to them. He informed that he is going to open a school for deaf and dumb and Maheen would be his first pupil. Next question is, what kind of people were the Ahad? Question mark. And the meaning is and the answer is the Ahad were very kind and well behaved. They treated their guests with courtesy and hospitality. Next page, put the heading of descriptive questions. Question number 1. In what way was the guest house a suitable place to stay? And the answer is the guest house was a suitable place to stay because it had all the facilities. It was very close to the bus stop, market and the post office. Full stop. The hosts of this are excellent people. They provide good hospitality in this guest house. Next, in what manner did the author try to make friends with Maheen? What was the reaction from Maheen and her parents? Answer, put the heading Maheen reaction. When the author asked her name, she blushed and ran away with the tears in her eyes. And next heading is Maheen parents reaction. Okay. Her parents looked surprised and looked the author with pain in their eyes. So there are two headings in this question. Next a long question. How did Maheen generally communicate with other? And the answer is Maheen usually hid herself and avoid meeting with the guest. Her communication was confined the gestures with their hands. RTC reference to contest with the next page and put the text with the black pointer. She looked the happiest woman in the world, and we are having 3 questions with the answers. Okay, question number 1: from which chapter this line has been taken, and who is the author? These lines has been taken from the chapter The Silver Lining. Who is the statement about? It is about Mr. Ahad. Question number 3: why was the person happy? Question mark. Answer is she was happy because her child started communicating and meeting strangers happily. So there are 3 question and answer with a reference to contest. Now students, put the heading of fill in the blanks. Blank number 1: the chapter Silver Lining is written by C. Nahal. So it is the blank Nahal, Nahal. Number 2: the author Nahal is born in Sialkot in 1927. 1927 is the blank beta. Number 3: the Silver Lining is taken from short entitled as The Weird Dance. So the blank is Weird Dance. It is boldly written. These are the blanks. Okay. Mr. Ahad was landlord of guest house. Mr. Ahad is the fill in the blanks. Number 5: Maheen was dash and dash, deaf and dumb. These are the blanks. So student, here you are having all the notes of this chapter. Yes beta, you have to complete your all of the literature work which I have provided you. We are having 3 chapters and 2 poems in your literature. Okay, you have to positively complete your work and bring your copies for correction on Tuesday, as Tuesday is the meeting day for class 8th. Okay, if you need any inquiry regarding test or anything else, you may come and ask us. We the teachers of Gulistan Boys School are available in the school between 9 to 12 timing. So students, stay blessed and stay healthy. Kindly complete your work, and in my next lecture I will give you the assignment as well, and in my next lecture I will give you the language presentation. Okay, so next topic will be of English language, because it is the last chapter of your English literature. So kindly complete it and bring your copies with complete syllabus, with complete notes and index. Everything should be complete in your literature copies, and bring your copies on Wednesday in the school. Okay, stay blessed and stay healthy, and kindly come to school with complete SOPs. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.